Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I will show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from recycle bin. Okay, firstly just open Photos app and let's remove some photos. Choose photos to remove and click OK, move to trash. So now we need to recover our photos from trash bin. To do it, just open library and here you will see trash folder. Just click on it and here you will see all deleted photos and videos. You can recover it during 30 days after deleting. And if you have enabled backup, Google Backup, you can recover it during 60 days. So select photos to recover and just click restore. Click restore and great, my photos was successfully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.